So the third part of the teaching of Dava Ghyalcena is emptiness, it's clear light. So because the first was vision is a mind, then second part was mind is empty, now emptiness is clear light. That is like an answer. Question is, what is emptiness? In our experience of this practice, we were looking at the fear, all the visions and suffering of the fear, and when we look close to that, we did not find anything as an object. Then we look at the subject, what is a mind? And we couldn't find anything, a solid, inherent existence of mind either. Mind was simply empty. Then what is empty? Emptiness. So this is the search that we have wanted to do. So in your experience, not finding anything of your fear either externally or internally, not finding that fear, ego, and it just, as you look closer and closer inward, it just completely dissolves and it just becomes nothing. Just basically you don't find nothing, nothing, nothing. What does that mean? Does that mean nothing is there? As you experience, there's nothing? You don't find anything? You don't see anything? What does that mean? Is it nothing? No. And that is exactly the reason why the third question is very important. Because many times, either philosophically, there are many tenets and doctrines fell into that nihilist view. There are many practitioners in experiences fell into that denial. Basically, there's some point when they're searching, they don't see nothing, say, okay, there's nothing. And they go also again the same way into a nothingness very deep. And that nothingness can also cause a depression, a rigidity, like a military stiffness in your body, in your breath, in your behavior. That is a very important question. That's why we ask, what is that emptiness? So emptiness, it's clear light. That emptiness is the fullness. That emptiness is the source of all the qualities. That emptiness, that openness is the solution. That openness is like the mother who gives the birth to a child. That space is like the earth which grows all the vegetations. That space is like the sky where all the stars and planets exist. The only way they can exist to know to its potentiality, in its luminosity, in its energy, dynamic energy aspect of it. And that translates into very simple translation in our own this moment experience is just awakening quality, awakeness. Not nothingness, awakeness. Being aware of it. So in the practice, when you're looking into that, you're looking for your mind, you don't find anything. That is the place where we left our last practice. I don't find nothing. There's no ego. There's no me. There's no my mind that I can pinpoint down in one place. Just became like a space. Being aware of that. Look at that awareness. Feel that awareness of that. That awareness is like a sunshine. If If there is no cloud in the sky, you look through that clear sky in the sun. Then you see the luminosity of sunshine. The absence of cloud helps to see the sky. A presence of sky helps to see the luminosity of the sun. The absence of fear as a vision, fear as a subject, helps to see our openness, inner openness. The presence of inner openness helps us to see our awareness, like inner luminosity. Can you see it? Can you feel it? So, it's not just nothing, it's just a full awakening, full sunshine. Just be in that alertness, liveliness. Connect with that. So, the more you connect with that awareness, the less chance you will have falling into nihilist, in denial. If you look at many times people doing sitting practices, I have visited some places with groups, they are doing sitting practice, and I can see they are sitting quite a good position in the first moment. And after 10 minutes later, they all are doing this position. What is that? That is a not awareness. That is clearly a yoga of the sleeping position. They are following sleep. And they think they are resting in the nature of mind or sitting in the emptiness, which they are not. Why? Maybe in the beginning they have experience of emptiness, and then lack of their clarity, they fall into dullness, and then the dullness put them into a deep sleep. There is no awakening. They are not even able to keep their head straight. That is a sign of lack of awareness. So it's very important to not only have the experiences of voidness in the third practice, to be aware of that voidness, to be in that state of awareness and continuously become familiar with that awareness. So that is the third part of the practice.